Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4. Okay students, let us have a look at question number 3. Question number 3 is again from organic chemistry. It says that the number of resonance structures for N. So first of all we need to identify what will be our N. Now you can simply see that this OH is a phenolic group which is acidic in nature, and to it we are adding a strong base NaOH. So obviously what it will do is that it will abstract the H plus, and after abstracting the H plus, the structure which we are going to get will be two benzene rings like this, three bonds, and there will be this hydrogen over here leaves as H plus, so we will get O minus. Okay, so this is the structure of N. This is our N. Now we have been asked how many resonance structures for N can be drawn. Now the correct answer to this question is 9. There are a total of 9 resonating structures which can be drawn. How? We have drawn all the structures for you. Let us have a look at them one by one. So see, this was your first structure to start off with. This was your so-called N, and now you have to find the number of resonating structures. So obviously we'll start from here. We can see there are 1, 2 and 3 lone pairs on oxygen atom. So there is a pi sigma lone pair, pi sigma lone pair conjugation. So we'll move this pi bond over here, and one of the lone pair forms a double bond like this. Okay, from this we'll get this second structure. This is our second structure. There is a negative charge over here, you can see. Fine, let's move ahead. Again, if we try to draw the next structure, we can again see a pi. This is a pi, this is a sigma, and this is a lone pair. We can again see a pi sigma lone pair conjugation. Now in a pi sigma lone pair conjugation, what I am going to do is that I am going to move this pi bond over here, and this lone pair comes over here. So from that I get my third structure. This is my third structure. You can clearly see a lone pair over here, and this lone pair has converted into a pi bond over here. Fine. Now once you reach structure 3, there are two possibilities. Now there is one pi sigma lone pair, this pi sigma and lone pair conjugation, and again there is this pi sigma and lone pair conjugation. So I am calling this possibility 1, and this I am calling as possibility 2. Okay, so what I have done is that I have first considered possibility 1. If you look at structure 4 is from possibility 2. So I have considered possibility 2 first. What will happen? You can see pi sigma lone pair conjugation. So what you are going to do is that you are going to move this pi bond over here, and this lone pair will form a pi bond. So that will result in 4th structure. Let us move ahead. Now again we can see over here pi bond sigma lone pair conjugation. So we can form one more resonating structure from this. How? This pi bond moves to oxygen, and this lone pair converts into a pi bond. So this will give me my structure 5. In case you are thinking that structure 1 and 5 are same, let me tell you they are not, because you can clearly see that in structure 1 both the rings are benzenoid, and in structure 5 only one of the rings, that is this particular ring over here, is a benzenoid ring. So that gives me structure 5. Fine. Again, if I go back to structure 3, I can again see that there is one more possibility from which I have drawn this structure. This is from possibility 1. You can again see a pi sigma lone pair conjugation. So now if you move this pi bond on this position, and this lone pair converts into a pi bond, so we'll get a pi over here, a lone pair over here. And from 6 we can again draw 3 more structures. How? Pi sigma lone pair conjugation. So you move this pi bond over here, you get a pi bond at this place. Again you can see pi sigma lone pair conjugation. So now you do what? You move this pi bond over this position, and you draw a pi bond at this is your 8th structure. And finally again we can see a pi sigma lone pair conjugation. So we move this pi bond over here and this lone pair converts into a pi bond. So this gives me the 9th structure. So there are a total of 9 resonating structures. And do we need to draw all of them to be able to identify this? Unfortunately yes. You'll have to sit down with a piece of paper and draw all the possible structures before you are in a position to answer how many resonating structures are possible. Thank you.